Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tiny Scholars Playgroup. Today we will introduce first sound of English, that is letter A. Let's start our lesson. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. What is this? This is an arrow. This is an arrow. This is an arrow. Wow, what is this? This is an alligator. This is an alligator. What is this? This is an alligator. What is this? This is an ant. This is an ant. What is this? This is an ant. Let's revise. What is this? Apple. What is this? Arrow. This is alligator. And this is ant. Do you know who is the friend of all these things? Yes, A. A is the friend of all these things. A. Which sound is this? A. Repeat after me. A. Which sound is this? A. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Alligator. A. Ant. Let's think more words starting with sound A. Ambulance. A. Ambulance. A. Apricot. A. Apricot. A. X. A. X. Let's have a quick recap what we have learned today. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. And who are the friends of A? A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Alligator. A. Arrow. A. Ambulance. A. Apricot. A. X. Very nice. Okay, now let's see how to trace A. Start from here. Okay. Go round. Go up. And come down. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound we learned today? A. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed the first lesson of Tiny Scholars Playgroup. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.